Hello students, we were doing electronic configurations of diatomic molecule. 3 molecules left. We had already completed till nitrogen. Now it is oxygen. Oxygen diatomic molecule. MO diagram बनाएंगे इसका because many time it was asked in exams. Draw MO diagram for oxygen molecule. How to draw? See. As I told you, we have to draw atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Its configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. Here we will write atomic orbitals. This will 1s, same energy में बनाना है 1s. After 1s it will be 2s. Here also we have to draw 2s. Then 2px, 2py, 2pz, same energy 2px, 2py and 2pz. Here also 2px, 2py, 2pz. This way energy increases. These are the atomic orbitals of oxygen. Now we'll draw molecular orbitals. When two 1s orbital combine, bonding molecular orbital form sigma 1s. Anti-bonding molecular orbital form sigma star 1s. Two 2s combine, bonding, anti-bonding. This is sigma 2s, this is sigma star 2s. Now, in case of oxygen, sigma will be having less energy. So, first sigma 2pz will come. After that 2 pi, pi 2px, pi 2py. This would be pi 2px and this would be pi 2py. After that anti-bonding, pi and at last sigma. This is anti-bonding 2px, anti-bonding 2py and this would be anti-bonding 2pz is of highest energy level. This is molecular orbital diagram for oxygen molecule. What is electronic configuration of oxygen atom? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. According to Hund's rule, we will write 2p4 like this. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Okay. Total how many electron in oxygen molecule? Atomic number 8. But oxygen is diatomic molecule. So total of 16 electrons will be there. We have to fill 16 electrons in these molecular orbital. How to draw 16 electrons? 1s में 2, 2s, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, see 15 and 16. 1 electron in these two orbital according to Hund's rule. If orbitals are of same energy, first we have to give 1 electron and then we have to start pairing. This we have to keep in mind. This is MO diagram for oxygen molecule. Now we will write electronic configuration of oxygen molecule. We will calculate bond order and all. What was configuration for O2 molecule, students? Total 16 electrons, which is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2. After that, sigma 2pz, then pi 2px2, pi 2py2, and at last anti-bonding pi star 2px में 1 और pi star 2py में 1 according to Hund's rule. What is bond order? Half. How many electron in bonding? Count, students. 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. How many electron in anti-bonding? Star wala. 2 plus 2, 4, 5 and 6. So what is the bond order? Bond order is 2. 2 means there is a double bond between two oxygen atoms. As there are two bond order, it's a double bond between two oxygen atoms. Now we can see that two electrons are unpaired. So O2 molecule is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. Valence bond theory we had done. According to valence bond theory, as in oxygen molecule, all electrons are paired. Valence bond theory. Valence bond theory से कैसे था? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. According to valence bond theory, valence orbitals of two combining atom with unpaired electron overlap and form bond. So this 2px overlap and form one bond. 2py overlap and form another bond. If we can see, then all the electrons are paired in O2 molecule. According to VBT, O2 में all electron paired. तो कैसा होना चाहिए molecule? According to valence bond theory, diamagnetic होता है. According to valence bond theory, it is diamagnetic O2 molecule because all electrons are paired. But experiment was showing that molecule is paramagnetic. Molecular orbital theory explains now why oxygen molecule is paramagnetic, because there are two unpaired electrons present in pi antibonding molecular orbital. So limitation of valence bond theory was overcome by molecular orbital theory. According to valence bond theory, oxygen was proved diamagnetic, but experiment was showing it is paramagnetic. Now molecular orbital theory confirmed that oxygen is paramagnetic due to presence of two unpaired electrons. Okay. Now this is for oxygen. We can write configuration for O2, oxygenyl cation, O2 plus. What is configuration for O2 plus? Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, after that sigma 2pz2, and then pi 2px2, pi 2py2. Now one electron lost, and that lost from anti-bonding either 2px or 2py orbital. Plus का मतलब one electron lost, that is lost from pi star 2py. Now what is the bond order? Half. Number of electron in bonding is still 10, but anti-bonding now 5. So bond order will be 2.5. Still the molecule is paramagnetic. Clear? Now O2 minus 1. O2 minus 1 is known as peroxide ion. Which ion? Peroxide ion. What is the electronic configuration for peroxide ion? Sigma 1s2, star 1s2, after that sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, after that it is sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, then it is one electron added, so that will be added in 2px. So 2px now has paired electron. Okay. Still molecule is paramagnetic because still it has one unpaired electron. Now what is bond order? Half. Bonding still 10 electron, but anti-bonding have now 7 electrons. One electron added in anti-bonding. So 6 and 7 means it is 3 by 2. So 1 by 5, but still the molecule is paramagnetic because there is one unpaired electron. So peroxide ion is paramagnetic. Bond order is 1.5. Last we can see for O2 2 minus. This is called superoxide ion. O2 2 minus is known as superoxide ion. Now if we draw the bond order diagram for this, what it will be? First configuration, sigma star 1s, after that sigma 2s, then sigma star 2s, after that pi 2px, sigma will come first, sigma 2pz, then it is pi 2px, pi 2py, both have 2 electrons. Anti-bonding also have now paired electrons, 2px, pi star 2py, and both have 2 2 because 2 electron get added minus 2 matlab. Now the bond order become half. Bonding is 10, anti-bonding is 8, so bond order is 1. Now the molecule is diamagnetic because now all electrons are paired. So oxygen, oxygenyl ion, peroxide ion all are paramagnetic, and O22 minus, which is called superoxide ion, this will be diamagnetic. If we will ask to arrange these in increasing order of stability or increasing order of bond length, then how to arrange according to bond order? See, we can arrange. First we'll write bond order of O2 is 2, O2 plus 2.5, O2 minus 1.5, and O2 2 minus is 1. What is the bond order for O2? Bond order is 2. What is for O2 plus? 2.5. What is for O2 minus 1? It is 1.5. And what is for O2 2 minus? It is 1. These are the bond orders of different oxygen species. Now we know that bond order is directly proportional to the stability of the molecule. So if we write stability order, then which is most stable? O2 plus. After that O2. After that O2 minus 1, and then O2 2 minus. Why? Because bond order and stability directly proportional to each other. More the bond order, more will be the stability. Now arrange in bond length order. Bond length. We know bond length and bond order inversely proportional to each other. So whose bond length is maximum? O2 2 minus. After that O2 minus 1. Then it is oxygen, and at last O2 plus, as bond length and bond order inversely proportional to each other. Last, if they will tell you to write according to bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy. We know bond dissociation enthalpy is also directly proportional to bond order. So bond dissociation enthalpy is maximum for O2 plus, after that O2, O2 minus 1, that is peroxide ion, and O2 2 minus, that is superoxide ion. These molecules are very important. Many times question asked everywhere. So be aware of it, be prepared. Oxygen and its comparative ions. Now two diatomic molecules left, F2 and Ne2. We'll write their electronic configuration. We'll calculate their bond order. F2, 18 electrons. Same electrons, same bond order. Okay. What is configuration? 1s2, star 1s2, 2s2, sigma star 2s2. After that 2pz2, then it is pi 2px, pi 2py, then pi star 2px, pi star 2py. Both also have 2 electrons. Okay. Bond order we can calculate total number of electron in bonding minus total number of electron in anti-bonding. So bonding electrons are 10, anti-bondings are 8. So bond order is 1. There is single bond between two fluorine atoms. It is diamagnetic because all electrons are paired. So fluorine diatomic molecule is diamagnetic because all electrons are paired. Clear? Now the last molecule, that is neon diatomic molecule, Ne2. What is total number of electron in Ne2? 18. So all orbitals will be filled by electron. Sigma 1s, star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. After that sigma 2pz. After that pi 2px, pi 2py, then anti-bonding, pi star 2px, pi star 2py. This is also filled by 2 electron. And at last sigma star 2pz. And this is also having 2 electrons. So if we calculate bond order for this, total electrons in bonding 10, anti-bonding also 10. So bond order 0. And as told you earlier, bond order 0 means molecule does not exist. So molecule does not exist. कौन से molecule does not exist? Helium molecule does not exist. Beryllium diatomic molecule does not exist, and neon diatomic molecule does not exist because their bond orders are coming to be 0. So if bond order is 0, then the molecule will not exist. This way we can calculate the bond orders of different homonuclear diatomic molecules. Next video we will talk about hydrogen bond, the last topic of the chapter. This chapter is very important, I told you earlier. Practice it well. Bond order question bahut pucha hai. Valence bond theory thi, hybridization, everything is very, very important. Okay, so next video we will talk about hydrogen bonding and its types.